The number you have dialed is invalid.
Hi, thanks for calling Walgreens.com customer service. Para continuar en español, oprima 9. You can get the 2024 to 2025 flu shot now at Walgreens. Just make an appointment on the phone, at the pharmacy, or online at walgreens.com/schedule vaccine. How can I help you today?
Pharmacy? Pharmacy?
Okay, you can say, problems logging in, refill a prescription, prescription status, or say help me with something else.
Help me with something else.
Okay. Before I transfer you, are you calling about pharmacy services in the state of Oregon?
No.
Okay, transferring you now. Your call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Let me get someone to help.
Your estimated wait time is 4 minutes. We want to make sure we're giving you excellent customer service. So when you're finished talking to our team member, please stay on the line to answer a few short questions about your call today. All our representatives are helping other callers. Please hold on, and we'll be with you as soon as we can. We appreciate your patience. All of our representatives are still helping other callers. We'll be with you as soon as we can. We appreciate your patience. All of our representatives are still helping other callers. We'll be with you as soon as we can. appreciate your patience. All of our representatives are still...
Hi, thanks for calling. Pharmacy technician Darlene, how may I help you?
Hi, ma'am. I spoke to a technician on Saturday, and by calling the same number. And they told me to call back after 10 a.m. on Monday to the same number to speak to IT. Are you IT?
No, I'm not.
Could you transfer me to IT? Because they said that the problem that I did describe to them would have to be handled by IT.
We only email the IT. We don't have a way of transferring to IT. Would you be able
to do that for me?
So what? Okay, just a moment.
All right.
All right. Let's see. May I have the last name?
Bodin, Bodin.
First name?
Jeffrey, Jeffrey.
And date of birth, please.
05/22/97.
So you come up twice, so that's one of the problems? You have two accounts?
Yes, ma'am. That's what he explained to me on Saturday, was that I had accounts that needed to be merged by IT, and then that would probably fix
which
the
address are you using?
406 Parkview Boulevard, Mandeville, Louisiana 70471.
All right. Let me put that ticket in. It's not a tech installation. I gotta go back. It's merge accounts. That's what it is. All right, let's start over. Okay, address. All right, I got to look for the RX numbers on here. There they go. All right. All right, so I'll go ahead and submit that email over to the computer technician so that they can merge your accounts. Once your accounts is merged, you'll get an email notification within 24 hours. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Okay. Um, is there any way I could talk to IT directly too, or are they
That's
did?
the thing. It's not a way to talk to them directly. We only email them. I sent the email to them to get your accounts merged because you do have two accounts.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. No problem.
If you'd like to answer a few questions about your experience today, press 1. If not, just hang up. Before we go, we'd like to know how your call went, so please stay on the line for a brief survey.
Hello. Thank you for your recent call to Walgreens Customer Care. We value your opinion and would like to ask you about the service you received on your recent call. Your feedback will help us continuously improve our service. To begin in English, press 1.
Para español, presione 2.
The following questions will use an 11-point scale, where 10 is highly likely and 0 is not at all likely. You may choose any number from 10 to 0. How likely are you to recommend Walgreens to family members, friends, or coworkers? Remember, 10 is highly likely and 0 is not at all likely. Please rate your overall satisfaction with your most recent call regarding Walgreens customer care. We appreciate your feedback. Do you have any additional comments? You will have up to 2 full minutes to comment. Begin speaking after the tone. Please press any key when you are finished or if you do not wish to leave a comment.
I just spoke to customer care for the second time since Saturday. On Saturday, when I spoke to him, he listened and analyzed my comments about the intelligent systems issues I've been having, which apparently resulted in having 2 accounts created, which has been prohibiting me from having local deliver my prescription, which has been locally delivered before through DoorDash and through FedEx for years, with intermittent issues popping up, but then they would just resolve by themselves. So it always seemed to be some sort of computer systems issue. And now it looks like it's this. However, the Need Help number of 1-877-250-5823 on the orders-UI page of Walgreens.com order history orders UI is sending me to an Oregon-listed number for a Walgreens.
We appreciate your feedback.
Okay.
Do you have any additional comments? You will have up to 2 full minutes to comment. Begin speaking after the tone. Please press any key when you are finished or if you do not wish to leave a comment.
The order history orders UI Walgreens.com number of 1-877-250-5823. That would be appreciated if that could be directed to IT itself, especially after 2 calls, as the text that I was speaking to could not directly address any of the problems themselves. One, because it was on the weekend previously, and today because she could only communicate through email, which she did, but that doesn't solve it right now, and IT could have solved it right now by speaking to me and putting in a ticket themselves easier and guaranteed. And I need my medicine today locally delivered, not within a week. So it would be advisable to give a direct line to
Thinking
tech.
about the service provided by the Walgreens customer care associate who assisted you on your call, please rate your satisfaction with the quality of customer service. Remember, 10 is extremely satisfied. The courtesy of the associate. The associate's ability to answer your questions. The associate's ability to communicate clearly. The associate's concern for your well-being. The associate's confidence in the answers provided to you. If the associate satisfied your particular inquiry or issue on this call, press 1. If not, press 2. If you're unsure, press 3. How many times have you interacted with Walgreens about this specific inquiry or issue? If 1 time, press 1. 2 or more times, press 2. Thank you again for taking the time to share your experience and for your continued business. This concludes our survey. Goodbye.